to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping leave its seeds while I was sleeping. In a vision that was planted in my brain, it still remains within the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without sleeping. People hearing without listening. People writing songs. Their voices are never shared, and no one there disturbs the sounds of silence. Fools said I do not know, silent like a cancer grows. Hear my words and I'm hiding you. Take my arms and I'm hiding you. But my words lie silent, raindrops fell, and they go in a waves of silence. And our people bow to pray to the young God they made, and the sound that shouted its warning in our words that our hearts falling. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway wall and tenement hall, and whispered the sound of silence.